Obama is feeling the heat this summer. The issue? Immigration. Again. Immigrant rights advocates are mobilizing around the hashtag #GoBigObama, because the problem goes beyond just how to handle the influx of children from Central America. On Monday, protesters with the National Day Laborer Organizing Network and United We Dream rallied in Washington, D.C. to demand Obama take executive action on immigration reform. Immigration activists, along with over 11 million undocumented immigrants, are tired of waiting on Congress, especially after the House refused to vote on a reform bill in June that was already approved by Senate. They're demanding Obama step it up. They want him to issue an executive order similar to the Deferred Action Plan of 2012. It allowed young undocumented immigrants who came to the U.S. as children to avoid deportation and work legally. Maria Morales tweeted from the demonstration, "Now is the time. #GoBigObama." United We Dream referenced the president's memoir, Dreams from My Father, in their tweet, "Obama, how are your father's dreams any different than my mom's?" Enchanta tweeted, "The GOP's only solution to the inhumane immigration system is mass deportation. Barack Obama must stand with immigrant community." And even though nearly 2.5 million undocumented immigrants have been deported on his watch, it looks like Obama might actually take up the call. The president has recently met with prominent advocacy organizations like the Center for American Progress and the National Immigration Forum. Now he's expected to authorize some kind of relief to the undocumented before midterm elections in November. Many hope he will expand the Deferred Action, or DACA, to include parents of eligible youth. CT Students for a Dream tweeted, "DACA has changed our lives, and we know it can change our parents' lives." But there's also fear that whatever Obama does, it won't be enough to solve anything. Groups like the National Day Laborers Organizing Network are upset that undocumented immigrants themselves aren't being included in the discussion. So on Monday, they rallied at the very organizations Obama has been meeting with, urging them to boycott any more meetings until undocumented immigrants have a seat at the table. Erica Andiola of the Dream Action Coalition tweeted, "Mr. President, no more meetings about us without us. I'll be waiting for the invite to talk about my fam's future." Obama is also feeling the heat from, guess who? Republicans. They think he's taken his executive powers too far. What do you think? Since he's going home anyway in 2 years, should he go big?